Hey there! Have you ever wondered how we take all these teeny tiny words and build really big, amazing ideas with them? Well, it's kind of like playing with building blocks. Today, we're going to learn the secret to becoming an expert word builder, so let's get right into it.
So how does it all work? How do simple words like dog or jumped or green team up to tell a whole story? Well, the big secret is that words are literally the building blocks we use to make our sentences. That's right. Words do not like to be lonely. They absolutely love to group up and hang out together in these special little teams. And when they do that, that's when they start to make sense. We're going to call these our word teams. Okay, so let's meet our first kind of word team. This one is called a phrase. It's a fantastic starter team, and believe me, you see them absolutely everywhere. A phrase is kind of like a single piece of a jigsaw puzzle. It gives you a little bit of information, an idea piece, you could call it, but it definitely doesn't show you the whole picture. It always leaves you wondering. Let's look at a few. In a corner, see? It just makes you ask, well, what is in the corner? Or how about this one? On a wall. Again, you're left thinking, what's on the wall? And of great beauty. What is of great beauty? These are all phrases. They're just idea pieces, not the full story. Okay, you ready to level up? Because it's time to meet this super word team, the clause. This team has a really special power that a phrase just doesn't have. And here is its secret power. A clause is a word team that always has two very important things: a who or what the sentence is all about, and a doing word that tells you what's actually happening. This makes it feel like a little mini sentence all by itself. So cool!
Let's break these down. In he has a chain, the who is he, and the doing word is has. Make sense? In it is raining, the what is it, and the doing part is raining. And in you have made a mistake, the who is you, and the doing word is have made. See that? Every single one has a who or a what, and a doing word. That's their superpower.
All right, it is time for the big showdown. Let's put a phrase and a clause right next to each other so we can really see the difference up close and personal. Okay, check this out. Over on the left, we've got the phrase, a chain of gold. It's just an idea piece, right? But look at the right. We have a clause, a chain which is made of gold. This is a mini sentence. And why? Because it has a what, which is the word which, and a doing part, is made. That right there is the huge difference. So now that we have these superpowered clauses, we can use them as our main building blocks to create these big, complete sentences that tell a whole story. Let's build one right now, together. We can start with our super clause. It is raining. Cool. Now let's add another idea. Maybe something like, we cannot start. So if we join them together, we get a full sentence. We cannot start while it is raining. See? It makes perfect sense. We just used our word teams to build a complete thought. And just like that, you know the secret. You are officially a word builder. You now know how to spot the different kinds of word teams and exactly how they work together. So, the main thing to remember is this. A phrase is just a little piece of an idea, like a single puzzle piece. But a clause is a powerful mini sentence because it always has a who or a what and a doing word. That's the whole secret to building amazing sentences. So now that you're a word builder, the really big question is, what awesome sentences are you going to build today? Start looking for phrases and clauses everywhere you go, in books, on signs, and in all the things people say. You are going to be so surprised at how many you find.